Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.